Hi there, Tapas Fleming here, tatlife.com. This is for you in case you are experiencing survivor's guilt. That just means that other people are suffering some kind of trauma and you feel like, how come I got out of it? So for a lot of people right now, especially with the war that's going on, you might be feeling that way. You might have family there and you got out of the country before all of this happened, or you're just feeling compassion for the people that are going through this and feel like you don't have a right to be happy. So we'll do a shortened TAT process together in case any of this is going on for you. So the first thing we'll do is the heart pose. That's palm over your heart chakra. That means midline near your heart. And we'll make this big intention together. So as you're listening, you don't have to try and make it true or real. You just simply make the intention. Okay. This healing's on behalf of you, your whole family, all your ancestors, your conscious and subconscious mind, all the parts of you, all the points of view you've ever been identified with, for all beings involved, all beings who'd like to benefit, and it'll happen in a way that's safe and easy. Then we'll do the TAT pose together. So that's your thumb of whichever hand you like and your ring finger. Light touch just above the upper inner corner of each eye, middle finger just a little bit, like half inch above eyebrow level and midline, and your other hand goes to the base of your skull. So your thumb is just above the hairline level there. You're not sticking your thumb in the notch, it's just there. Okay, light touch, no pressure. So what we're gonna do is take all of the things like that you're thinking and feeling and put them in what we just call the pot. It just means that that's what we're going to work on right now to dissolve our identification with. Okay, so you can write those things down, think about it a minute, stop the video if you want, or just know that whatever it is you've got going on like that is what we're going to work on. Okay, and as you listen, I'll be using the word this, and that means everything that you just decided to work on. And as we do it too, we have the intention that we're doing it for everyone who'd like to benefit. So that includes everyone who watches this video and does this, okay? So we'll do the TAT pose and put our attention on all these statements. Everything that led up to my resonating, identifying, and connecting with this happened. All that happened, it's over, and I no longer resonate, identify, or connect with this. And then these next couple of statements, you can include the word God, some other name, or nothing at all. You can use a word like universe or source or all that is, whatever you like. Okay, we'll do the pose again. All the places in my mind, body, and life where this has been stored are healing now. God, thank you for healing all the places in my mind, body, and life where this has been stored. The origins of this are healing now. God, thank you for healing all the origins of this. Then next, what we'll do is choose something you'd like in the here and now. Not that it's going to be that way, but this is how it is now. So you can make any kind of statement you want to. It can be one statement or several. So once you have those how you want it or I choose statements, then do the pose and say that everything you chose to yourself 3 times silently or out loud. I'll just choose one we can do together now. And I'll say it 3 times. So you can join in this if you like. It's okay that I survived. It's okay that I survived. It's okay that I survived. I feel compassion for the people who are experiencing trauma. I feel compassion for the people who are experiencing trauma. I feel compassion for the people who are experiencing trauma. It's okay for me to be really happy in my life right now. It's okay for me to be really happy in my life right now. It's okay for me to be really happy in my life right now. Okay, there you go. I hope this helps you feel free, compassionate, and happy. Thank you for listening, and see you next time.